The answer is yes. It's illegal unless you have, there are a number of requirements, okay? The speed of the vehicle can't exceed 25 miles an hour. Typically, it's got to be electric. There's an entire section of traffic statutes that prohibit you from driving those vehicles on the roadway. So unless you know the officer who patrols your area, and unless you're in an area where you're allowed to drive a golf cart, there's some communities where you're allowed to drive a golf cart. It's part of the deed restriction, not a restriction here, but an allowance for you to be able to use those. And I'm a big fan of them. I own one myself. It's a Kubota. And I drive that typically on the dirt roads and in the area. But I'm sure if an aggressive officer showed up, there'd be a number of reasons why I shouldn't have been engaging in that conduct. And I often see people, dads, moms with their kids, letting them drive the golf cart and that sort of thing. I just can tell you that's a good way for a child to learn to drive, no question about that. But you got to do that sort of thing in a parking lot and not on a regular roadway or highway.